opentaps sees in the URL, you get into this screen. Click on sign in, admin, with the password I gave you. So opentaps sees is organized into a series of sites. Each one is its own building. You can set it up with a location, like city and state. So this one is the first demo one, and is set up in Los Angeles. You can edit the addresses, like for example, you can put it in some other city, like let's see, and so you can put in the country, UK, London, and England. So this is your first building, and then it has a meter. So the meter is a history of the energy use by hour, and it's associated with a weather station, which is a demo one that we're using now. So this is the historical temperature, also by hour. And from this, you can build either both daily models and hourly models. So let's look at the daily model first. This is the daily model, and it uses a full years of data. You can view the details of the model, and these are all the statistical information. This is the most important one, the cumulative root mean squared error. It means actually how accurate your model is. So 25% or so is the error, and so it means your model is about 75% accurate, which is pretty good. And you can see the blue dots is a plot of the energy use by day, and over here is the temperature. And so this is the best fit model, and all the different green lines are the different models that have been fit and tested by OpenEEmeter. And the best fitting one, the one that I showed you with 25%, is the best one. So applied with the model is then the actual savings versus the model by day. So you can see some days, like here, the model says you were 24 kilowatt hours better than the energy predicted by the model, and these days you were negative. So the meter production, this means actually what your produced energy, in this case, produce energy savings were. So positive means you saved energy, negative means you lost energy. And then with a simple rate calculator, you can calculate the value of the energy savings. So you can click here to download, and this will download by day the energy savings or energy loss versus the model. So that's the daily model. And then the hourly model, same thing, except it's by the hour. So you see like the zigzag is a lot more and on every day, but you can also download this as well. And so then these are to view the details of the hourly model. And this is a much more complicated, actually has hour of the weeks, because what it's trying to do is calculate your occupancy based on the hour of the week for each month of the year. So this is a much more complicated model that you use. It just goes on and on and on. And then it calculates the seasonal weighted differences. So, and the mean squared error, I think this is a different thing, but it's basically calculating like the seasonal values. And then you can recalculate the production, you can download it here. So that's an overview of how the system works.